In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your videos stand out using CapCut by giving them a dramatic and cinematic touch. Whether you're making content for social media, a personal project, or a short film for your aspiring filmmaking career, these techniques will help you add an engaging layer of professionalism to your videos. We'll kick things off by talking about the clips you choose to include in your project. Dramatic clips paired with cinematic music will set the emotional tone and grab your viewers' attention immediately. Think about moments with movement, significant expression, or vivid action. Then match these with a powerful soundtrack or instrumental that enhances the overall mood you want to convey. Next, let's add some flair with transitions. CapCut offers a variety of transitions that can elevate your video to the next level. Specifically, I recommend using flash, zoom, wipe, and black frame transitions. These are especially effective in creating mood shifts or emphasizing significant parts of your story. They seamlessly guide the viewer from one scene to the next, while keeping the energy dynamic and engaging. Adding text is another fantastic way to engage and inform your audience. Choose bold fonts that stand out against your footage, and ensure that the text is clear and easy to read. Once you've chosen the right font, animating your text with a slide-in or fade effect can catch the eye without distracting from your main video clips. It's all about finding that balance and using these tools to emphasize important points or messages within your content. For a truly cinematic look, consider adding letterboxing to your video. This technique involves placing black bars at the top and bottom of your frame, giving your video that widescreen effect that's characteristic of feature films. Not only does this create a more immersive experience, but it also allows you to focus your audience's attention on the action within the center of the screen. Finally, let's talk sound effects. Adding a build-up sound effect and a stinger can dramatically enhance dramatic moments or transitions in your video. The build-up creates anticipation and elevates the impact when it leads into a significant scene or point. A stinger, on the other hand, is a short burst of sound used to punctuate moments that require extra emphasis. Think of it as an audible exclamation mark. By following these tips and making the most out of CapCut's powerful editing tools, you can transform your videos into more engaging narratives with a professional, cinematic touch. Enjoy exploring these edits and watch as your storytelling truly comes to life.